Brad Williams, Excel Prime. We're going to use we're going to take a quick look at the end function. We looked at this a couple times. We're just going to review the end function. What does it do? It converts a value to a number. If this is text, we're going to put it over to a value. Let's read. The Excel end function returns a number when a value is provided. Use the end function to convert true and false to 1 and 0s respectively. The end function returns 0 when given a text value. The analysis and B5. Convert a value to a number, use the end function. The end function accepts a single argument, value. We have n value, B5, which can be a cell reference, formula result, or hard-coded value. As shown below, values are converted. The logical values, true and false, are converted to 1 and 0, respectively, while text values are converted to 0. It has no effect on numeric values or errors. Input any number, output identical, same number. A recognized dates, an Excel date in serial number formats. True, 1, false, 0. Got it? Error, value in identical error code. Other values, 0. For compatibility with other spreadsheet programs, the end function is provided. Excel automatically converts values when necessary, rendering the end functions unnecessary in the majority of situations. However, the end function provides a method for converting true and false to their numeric equivalents, 1 and 0. Here, let's just see some examples. What do we have here? We have a text, and it converts it over to 0. True, 1. Number, no effect. Number, no effect. A date will be converted into its serial number. Here we have time, again, decimal value. Time, decimal value, blank, 0. And if we have errors, it's just going to spit out a div error. And you can see, I just playing around here. I put d divided by 0 through the div error, but if we go over here, it's going to show 0. Okay. And then B13, it shows the div error. Why this throws an NA and a 0. When it says right here, it's supposed to throw the NA error. ND here, and then we have this N5 minus 0. There's a quick overview of the end function, its applicability. That's why we use n sometimes. We have a true function in there, and we want to be able to turn that into a 1 or a 0. Brad Williams, Excel Prime.